Small, that's the only thing. But other than that, I would like it, but it's just too small.
I think they probably have them apart. Like the parts are in the back here.
Okay. You like this? Yeah.
Yeah, so I got the piece apart. This one.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I like this one. This was my second car that I was looking at too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Apple Play. Oh yeah. Mouse. Stuff like that.
Power windows, door locks, mirrors.
Okay.
And then I'm going to show you this one too, because I think this is another one that he was trying to have me find. This is the Rogue Sport. Yeah. The Rogue Sport.
Oh, okay.
So this is just a little bit smaller than the Rogue.
Oh, okay.
And this has 79,000 miles.
Yeah, I like this one too.
Yeah, and this has just a backup camera.
You see that on you?